Hey guys, I'm making a baking video tutorial today on how to make gingerbread. Here's one I made earlier. Introduce yourself.
So what you wanna what you're gonna wanna get is a kind of breadcrumb consistency. So you know, it's kind of like breadcrumbs and shit. You wanna lick it from my hands?
No.
You wanna lick it from my hands?
No thanks.
You wanna lick it from my hands?
I said no. Next we put in the sugar, and we got the light skin sugar. Quick wiki fact, I'm actually quite partial to the brown sugar because I am actually light skinned. My mom is light skinned, my dad is darker skinned, but I'm mixed race, you know. So, you know, I like to say it a lot because, you know, we're like, it's whatever, you know. What the frick are you doing? Okay, wait a second. Wait a minute.
Oh yeah. I think all of my conscience in the sixth dimension.
We're gonna put 6 ounces of the lectern sugar
6
in the mixture.
Now it's gonna look like this.
And then we can fold it in.
Fold it?
Kind of, just mix it in.
Okay.
That's a weird way to mix.
No, fish guys divide it. I did it with the blacks and the whites in 1982. And then you gotta mix it in. I did it with the blacks and the whites in 1983.
This is what it looks like then. It looks almost the same.
She's very gorgeous to me!
She is very gorgeous to me!
Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Then get the egg in the bowl.
So you're gonna wanna get the egg?
No, don't do that. You gotta get the bowl too.
Oh, you're right. Crack it? Do you see that thing on Instagram with that like whole thing to build the egg cracker?
What?
I'll put it in right now.
Next, we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, but I didn't have golden syrup, so I'm using honey and it works the same. So I'm just gonna put it in. And I haven't measured, well earlier I did it, but I didn't measure anything. But it's fine, because you don't need to do that. What?
He's taking part in No Nut November.
If you guys are doing No Nut November, let me know in the comment section below. Right down below. Tell me if you're doing No Nut November.
No, love November.
Yeah, it's when you give up all types of nuts to raise awareness for like all different nut allergies.
Yeah, all the
peanut allergies, hazelnut allergies,
almond nut, cashew nuts, peanuts. You just can't eat nuts for the month. I know it's hard for some of y'all hoes out there not eating nuts. You need.
Here's one I made earlier.
Sure. Oh, you broke it.
Where's the focus?
I know how to do it. I've
Focus
seen.
on me.
Look at me. Look at me. That's how you.
No.
Yeah.
No, you're back
Ew,
again.
check it.
Ew.
People who aren't like friends, you know, couples. If you get the shots and they're like put flour in your face, it's like cute and shit. I'll do it first. You know, when they like put your hands with flour and you're like, oh stop! Oh stop! I'll put some on my face too. I'm like, oh stop!
Oh, stop.
And then you keep on doing it to me, and I'm like, no stop!
I don't like this.
When you're busting a nut, you feel tired all the time, you know, but you take 1 month off, then when you start busting it again, it's like heaven, you know?
Look how wet this nigga hair is. It looks like he did none of November on his hair.
Do I look pale?
Yeah.
The ceiling has to be bent.
Bent? Grace. You can't.
Gay.
Girl, you're working with some ass hand. Your bad jam, make a nigga spend his cash hand. His last hand, hold.
Oh, your butt is in the girl, you're the 3, 2.
Her face and all.
Come on, I'm opening
Yeah.
the oven. And I'm so cool.
Wow, these are actually crazy.
Okay, let's
Good job, high five.
Okay. And we can just fix it right. Yeah, exactly. That was the plan. That is the plan. We have to let it cool.
That is the plan. Okay, we'll place your
I'm
rates.
never even heard this song.
We'll place your rates. You have to guess who I am. Ready? You have to guess who I am.
Why is that? Oh no, it was
Stop doing that. That's weird. I don't like it.
If this is the roof, we're gonna have to like Make it like a real roof, you know?
You can't just do like straight lines across the end. No!
That's how freaking roofs work.
No, it's literally not.
Watch step. Let him see that walk.
I can't believe you're just eating that now. Yeah, after it started to make me. Oh!
Oh, I'm not done with you, bro.
Ew! This is the kind of stuff he makes me do all the time.
Remember this one?
Yeah, I'm sorry. No.
We
should just make gingerbread men cookies instead of making house because I don't see the house working.
Well, that sounds spooky. Why wouldn't the house work? It's a gingerbread house, not a Grace house.
Well, it's like my house is perfectly fine. God.
We have no time.
Stop.
We have no time. What are you doing?
Yeah, exactly.
Why do you put the dust underneath? The dust.
Because you're rolling everywhere the dust is supposed to be. Wait, did you use
Hey,
my
look,
tip earlier?
I'm light skinned.
You roll it too flat.
I don't know. Maybe I just like my gingerbread house walls like I like my girls.
He doesn't even like me.
I don't even like girls.
Because I'm staying at your house again tonight.
Bitch on geek. When I'm in your city, please direct me to the free.
We see the meme of the guy, and he's like, someone said something, and he's like, no, he's like, he sticks to his tongue, and he's like, and he's like, oh, I can't, what? I don't know how to, he was like, I'll just put it in like, so
Jesus. Her 3-year-old child.
I meant to get your phone!
Is it really that hard to do?
I don't know how to do roundhouse kick. I think it was like, do you see the meme? I sent it to you.
Which one?
The meme of the one at the pro-life concert, and your man was like, and he kicked the camera.
What? Okay, well. Nice sugar. How do you do that? You just put it on the heat. I was doing that, but it wasn't working. Put some water in it. I'll put less water in. We're trying to make sugar syrup, but like I don't know how to do that. I never knew how to do it. I thought I knew how to do it because I heard the word sugar syrup and I was like, yeah, I know how to make that. But I really don't, so. We're assembling the house now, but first we're gonna stick these parts together. It hasn't been
Why are you doing everything? You just don't want me to like do shit.
Because I'm probably better at it. Okay, you can do. Okay, so I'll hold this part and then you put that up near.
Okay.
No, on this side. Okay, if we do it this way, the force.
This will never work. I promise you, this will never work.
Ron was right. That we're gonna pretend this.
Grace, you have to like get all of us in this shot. You're just like getting like the whole video is gonna be like our hands just doing shit. No explanations. No this, no that. Just our hands. And then you drop in the camera like 4 times. That's gonna be the whole video. Because you're just not.
Listen, okay.
Next.
I don't have a degree in cameramanship.
You don't have a degree in holding camera.
That's a roof. Obviously, you made that one. Raise the roof.
It's a drop top.
Raise the roof. Yeah, that's actually true. It could be like that.
It's like a Mercedes convertible.
Oh wow.
Same one.
What a house.
Wow. No, this can work.
Yeah, I know.
Do that. And we're gonna have to do some fake stuff. We're gonna have to like put like. One like. Yeah, there's one.
Where's the other part? Why don't we do a 2D house?
This whole thing is breaking.
Okay, I don't know what you're doing anymore.
Oh, don't worry. I know how to do it. And that's the door.
Wow.
This shit crazy.
Success. And you know what? We're only 18, not even finished college yet, and we already built our own house. What have you done?
I want to cut all of that out.
It used to be the roof, but now it's a pattern. Then this is the side. This is the back.
It's a haunted house, so spooky, like a missing shit and shit.
What?
It looks like you got 4 stickers and put them together.
It looks like you can't speak English.
And then someone got hungry. No, that's the shape of the house. That's an architectural feature.
Yeah, true. Look at all this architecture shit.
Why is this wall just here? And that's the front garden.
They missed the wall.
No, that's the front garden. Here's the front garden. And then this is the other side.
I want to eat the front garden.
So yeah. That is
pretty spooky, huh?
That's our spooky house.
Okay, well I have to go soon, so that's the end of the video. The haunted house is scary. Like the video, subscribe to the video, comment the video, share the video with your friends, your family. Spooky as shit. New episodes, new videos next Friday. And subscribe at the end of the video. Gotcha, bitch!